Welcome to our video on 8 record-breaking heatwaves. In this episode, we will explore some of the most intense and devastating heat events in recent history. From the searing temperatures of the 2003 European heatwave to the startling heat dome that affected Western North America in 2021, these extreme weather phenomena have not only broken records but have had lasting impacts on communities and ecosystems worldwide. Join us as we delve into each of these heatwaves and uncover the stories behind these scorching events. 1. European Heatwave, 2003. In the summer of 2003, Europe experienced a staggering heatwave that left a deep impact on the continent. Temperatures soared to over 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit, in many places, with France reaching an unprecedented 44.1 degrees Celsius, 111.4 degrees Fahrenheit. This extreme weather event was unlike anything seen before in the region and caught many off guard. People were unprepared for such intense heat, and the consequences were devastating. Tragically, the heatwave led to over 70,000 deaths, making it one of the deadliest weather events in recent history. The severity of the situation prompted European governments to rethink their approach to heatwave preparedness, leading to significant reforms in emergency response strategies. This event served as a grim reminder of the potential dangers posed by extreme weather in a warming world. 2. Pakistan and India heatwave, 2015. The summer of 2015 brought unbearable heat to Pakistan and India, with temperatures in some areas exceeding a blistering 49 degrees Celsius, 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Karachi, Pakistan, was one of the hardest-hit cities, where the heat was relentless and unforgiving. The scorching temperatures overwhelmed the region, causing more than 3,500 fatalities. The demand for cooling soared, putting immense pressure on power grids, many of which collapsed under the strain. People struggled to find relief from the oppressive heat, and the lack of adequate infrastructure exacerbated the crisis. In the wake of this disaster, the event highlighted the urgent need for better heatwave preparedness and infrastructure improvements in regions prone to extreme temperatures. 3. North American heatwave, 1936. During the Dust Bowl era, North America faced a brutal heatwave in 1936 that remains etched in history. Temperatures soared above 46 degrees Celsius, 115 degrees Fahrenheit, in parts of the US and Canada, creating a sweltering environment that proved deadly. This heatwave is still considered one of the most lethal in North American history, with over 5,000 deaths recorded. The combination of scorching temperatures and the ongoing economic struggles of the Dust Bowl era made the situation even more dire. Communities were ill-equipped to handle such extreme conditions, leading to widespread suffering. The 1936 heatwave is a stark reminder of the devastating impact that extreme weather events can have on vulnerable populations. 4. Siberian heatwave, 2020. Siberia, a region synonymous with frigid winters, was taken by surprise in 2020 when it experienced an unprecedented heatwave. In Verkhoyansk, temperatures reached a shocking 38 degrees Celsius, 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit, setting a new record for the area. This extreme heat had significant consequences for the region and the planet. The heatwave contributed to record-breaking wildfires, which ravaged vast areas of forest and released massive amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Additionally, the accelerated melting of Arctic ice due to the heat posed a serious threat to global climate stability. This event underscored the urgent need for action to address climate change and its far-reaching impacts. 5. Australian Black Summer Heatwave, 2019-2020. Australia's Black Summer of 2019-2020 was marked by an intense heatwave that fueled devastating bushfires across the country. Temperatures soared above 48 degrees Celsius, 118 degrees Fahrenheit, in several regions, creating a tinderbox environment that led to catastrophic fires. These fires burned over 46 million acres of land, causing widespread destruction and loss of life. An estimated billions of animals were killed or displaced, highlighting the profound impact on Australia's unique wildlife. The heatwave and subsequent fires had far-reaching consequences for the environment and the economy, prompting calls for stronger climate policies and better disaster preparedness. 6. Athens heatwave, 1987. In 1987, Athens experienced a relentless heatwave that pushed temperatures above 43 degrees Celsius, 109 degrees Fahrenheit, for an extended period. The city was ill-prepared to cope with such extreme heat, and the consequences were dire. Over 1,000 people lost their lives as a result of the heatwave, highlighting the vulnerability of urban populations to extreme weather. The lack of adequate infrastructure, such as air conditioning and cooling centers, exacerbated the crisis. This event served as a wake-up call for governments to invest in better infrastructure and preparedness measures to protect citizens from future heatwaves. It also highlighted the importance of community support and awareness during extreme weather events. 7. Western North America Heat Dome, 2021. In 2021, a heat dome settled over Western North America, causing unprecedented temperature spikes in Canada and the U.S. Lytton, Canada, recorded a staggering 49.6 degrees Celsius, 121.3 degrees Fahrenheit, breaking previous records. This extreme heat event had devastating consequences for the region, with hundreds of deaths reported. The intense heat also led to catastrophic wildfires, which further compounded the disaster. The heat dome phenomenon brought attention to the increasing frequency and intensity of extreme weather events due to climate change. It underscored the urgent need for comprehensive climate action and adaptation strategies to protect communities from future heatwaves. 8. Southern Europe and Mediterranean heatwave, 2021. In 2021, Southern Europe and the Mediterranean region experienced a heatwave that shattered records. Italy recorded its highest temperature ever at 48.8 degrees Celsius, 119.8 degrees Fahrenheit, in Sicily. The extreme heat had far-reaching impacts, as fires ravaged parts of Greece, Turkey, and Italy. Many regions faced water shortages and power outages, exacerbating the crisis. The heatwave highlighted the vulnerability of Mediterranean countries to climate change and the urgent need for adaptation measures. It also served as a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of climate systems and the importance of global cooperation in addressing the challenges posed by extreme weather events.